Hey everyone, I'm so excited to share with you this new project that I just acquired. This is a pretty small house, but it presents us with a wonderful opportunity to add value to it. I'm going to share the details and the projected numbers towards the end of the video. Don't miss it. The front yard is really not that big, and we have a mixture of grass and weeds that will be replaced probably with sod. And then closer to the house, there's a brick planter box that we're going to add some plants and mulch to dress it up. The exterior of this home is kind of dirty and moldy, and the paint color is clay and peach combo that's very traditional. So we definitely want to give it a fresh coat of paint, and we'll likely have to replace the garage door as well. These stairs leading up to the front door are bricks, and they are reddish color that's very old school. So we probably want to paint it a neutral color, and the railings have big gaps in between them, so it's not very safe, and we are going to have to replace them with modern railings. The front entrance is all tarped up, and there's a pool of water from the leaks through the eaves, so we definitely want to inspect the roof and address this. Now welcome inside. We are in the entryway. On your left side is the living room. Straight ahead is the kitchen, and on your right are the bedrooms and bathrooms. And in this entry space, there's a dated chandelier, wood paneling on both sides, and ugly tiles on the floors. So we're going to remove and replace all of these to freshen up the space. The interior of the home is actually a lot cleaner than I thought, and we have very good space in this living room. There's no lighting though, so we plan to add a lot of recessed lights in the ceiling, and we're also going to try to clean up this window and see if we can keep it because it's already double pane. There's parquet floors, and I haven't decided if we want to refinish it or replace it. And there's also a chunk that's missing that will have to be repaired. And this fireplace is the focal point of this room, and it's really old school. So we're probably going to frame it with sheetrock with a new mantle to dress it up. This dining room is quite large, and it gets really good natural light from the big window. We're going to replace this traditional chandelier, and we're also going to try to open up this wall that's separating the kitchen. The kitchen right now is fully enclosed, and there are very old cabinets and appliances, and this dishwasher is actually held up together by tape. We definitely have to gut everything in here. I also found it interesting that there are actually decorative plastic covers on the top of the cabinets that can also be used as storage. And there is another decorative iron support that's holding up this single cabinet, which I don't see very often. The kitchen is on the smaller side right now, but there is additional space right here that can be used for casual dining. But nowadays, people would much rather have a bigger kitchen than two dining spaces side by side. So we'll likely use this area to expand the kitchen and make it more functional. If you want to learn to transform fixer-uppers like these and make big profits like I do, check out my coaching program, Transform Flipper Academy. That's where I teach my students the ins and outs about house flipping and help them achieve financial freedom through real estate investing. Don't wait any longer. Check it out today. It's transformflipperacademy.com. This guest bathroom is yellow all over. We have matching sink, toilet, tub, tiles, and we even have some flower film on the window. I imagine at one point this bathroom was very trendy, but now it's all out of style and there's nothing really we can salvage in here. So we're going to gut it all and replace them with modern finishes and fixtures. There are 3 bedrooms on this main level, and in this first one, it's actually pretty good sized, and we're going to replace the light fixture, repaint the walls, replace the interior doors, and refinish the hardwood floors. The flooring here is not parquet patterned, so we can easily refinish it if we choose to do that. The second bedroom is pretty much the same as the first, and we have similar scope of work. New light, new paint, new trim, and new flooring. The primary bedroom is the largest of the 3, and in here you see a lot of marks on the wall, so we definitely need to address those. But other than that, our focus will be renovating the primary bathroom. The primary bathroom has a lot going on because it's also a combination with the closet and the vanity area, but to me, this is a huge waste of space. The bathroom itself is really teeny and it's very cramped. This toilet is tucked in this corner and there's not enough spacing on either side, and there's a corner shower that's not big, and the vanity light is off on the side because the vanity is actually under a window, so it's very awkward here. So our plan is to push the bathroom out to utilize the rest of the space. So we're going to have the shower at the end, and then the toilet will be pretty much the same place, and the rest of this space will be used for a double vanity where the closet is right now. So this large primary bathroom is going to be super appealing to buyers. So we're done with the main level, and there's a whole downstairs that's actually a gold mine. There's a room right off of the stairs that's huge, and this would be perfect for an additional family room or play area for kids. And then there is a small space right here that has outdoor access to the backyard, and this can also be used as an office. But this is only half of the story, and there's additional space off of the garage too. The rest of the lower level is a huge garage. We have a 1-car garage door, which is very deceiving because this whole area can definitely park at least 3 cars. My plan is to reduce the garage into a regular 1-car garage and then use the rest of the space for more bedrooms and bathrooms. So over here, we're going to relocate the laundry, the water heater, the furnace, and all these pipes and ducts in the ceiling. And then we're going to add maybe 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and the family room area, and maybe even a kitchenette. So overall, we're going to probably add about 800 square feet on this lower level, which is going to dramatically increase the value of this home. So currently, there's only 1 small door from the basement going out to this backyard. But once we legalize all the square footage downstairs, we're going to put in a nice slider so the access to the backyard would be more convenient. And this backyard is not that big, and it's pretty straightforward. We have a nice sized patio and then a terraced area that's already got some mature trees, including 2 of these lemon trees. So we just need to remove the extra dirt and put in some new plants and mulch. Some interesting things that we found on the outside of this home include this disgusting exterior light and also this outdoor shower that we don't see very often in the Bay Area.
Our tour wouldn't be complete without a whole house walkthrough. I was pleasantly surprised by how clean the interior is because the exterior didn't look that great. I also like that the living, dining, and kitchen are spacious, and we've got enough room to work with. The kitchen can definitely benefit from a more open floor plan, which will make a big difference. The bathroom and bedroom side is nothing out of the ordinary, and it wouldn't take much time for us to transform. I'm really excited about what we will be doing on the lower level. The extra bedrooms and bathroom can be used for extended family or as a separate rental, both of which would be desirable to the next buyer. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get notified on the after video when the renovation is done. But right after this, I'm going to share the numbers. Don't walk away.
I'm so excited to get started on this project soon, but before that, let's talk about the numbers. I purchased this house for around $1 million, and we plan to put in about $200,000 on the renovation, including the addition part. And the projected value of this home is going to be around $1.6 million. So this is going to be a really fun project. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.